Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand functional testing of big data testing. If you have observed, so far we have been focusing on different validation types. Then what next? Let us focus on how we perform the functional testing by using those validation types. Validation types are very important. By using the validation types, we will be performing the functional testing. Now, the question is, why do we really need to do the functional testing? First and foremost thing is, we are getting the data from multiple sources, and the multiple sources data will be having a different data types. When we are trying to bring together the different sources of data and with the diverse data types, if we don't perform the functional testing, the data which is required to perform the analysis may not be right? And also, if you don't perform the functional testing, how do you ensure the data movement is happening properly? How do you ensure the processing is happening right? So, functional testing ensures the correct operation of the data movement and also processing. It is very important for maintaining the data quality and also accuracy throughout the system. So, we understood why do we need to do the functional testing. Let us understand what are the different types, or in a way, what are the different stages of functional testing. One is data ingestion testing. The second one is data storage testing. The third one is data processing testing. And we have reports and visualization testing. Let us look at them one by one. Data ingestion testing ensures accuracy of the data extracted from the various sources and loaded into the big data system is accurate. Moving on to the data storage testing validates the data is securely stored and can be reliably retrieved from the big data systems. By the way, why are we storing the data? We want to retrieve it properly, right? So, as a part of the storage testing, will ensure the data is stored securely and also it can be retrieved reliably. What exactly we do as a part of the data processing testing? In data processing testing, we'll evaluate whether the transformations are done properly or not, whether the processing is done properly or not. Whatever the rules and logic which is specified in the requirements is followed or not. So all these things are validated in data processing testing. What exactly we do in data output testing? So once the data is processed, that data need to be visualized in a nice charts, bar graph, and all those things, right? So as a part of the output testing, we'll ensure that the processed data is presented to the users in the required formats such as reports, dashboards, and many other things. Wonderful. We understood functional testing in big data. Thank you.